What is the difference between a credit union and a bank? I'm going to explain those differences today to you, as well as what the similarities are. So many people do not understand what's the difference between the two, what are the similarities. I cannot wait to share this with you guys today. Good day, subscribers. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Financial Education Channel. So today I'm going to explain the difference between a credit union and a bank. And I'm also going to explain what the similarities between the two are. So many people do not understand the differences. They see a credit union on the corner, they see a bank, and they think it's the same exact thing. Not at all. Two very different things. So first off, a bank is owned by shareholders. So a bank is for profit. They want to maximize profits, and that's what a bank is about. A credit union is owned by the members of that credit union. That's who owns a credit union. A credit union is not for profit. Not for profit is what a credit union is. Now, a credit union, you generally have to pay to get in with the credit union. So you pay $25 a year or $50 a year or something like that. And it's almost like getting a Costco membership or something like that. And you pay this annual fee. And that's your annual fee. Once you're in the door, you have the same type of opportunities you do in a bank, in the respect that you're going to have home loans you can get with that credit union, just like you can get with the bank. You have auto loans, just like you can get with the bank. Things like that. Now, some differences may be like private wealth managers, things like that. A lot of banks do full in-house. They have everything at a bank, generally. Most of the big banks, Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, a lot of those guys, they have everything you possibly imagine. Whether you're a low-income person or, worth $100 million and you need private wealth management and all those kinds of things. So credit unions are really good for the lower income people, and definitely for the middle class as well, because a lot of times you can have relationships with the credit union that you can't have with the bank. So you can get loans sometimes that you cannot get approved for at a bank. Just because you're a member of that credit union, you have a relationship, you have just a relationship built up with them. It's much more mom and pop than a bank. A bank's going to strictly look at the numbers. Does your credit score meet? Does your income meet? And, those kinds of things. There's really no relationship there because they're so big. They have millions, if not tens of millions of customers. Whereas a credit union, you might be one of, a few hundred or a couple thousand customers for that credit union. Now, they both have ATMs and they both have tellers and all that kind of fun stuff. Now, where credit unions also differ is you can really sometimes get lower interest rates through credit unions than banks. Remember what I told you before, banks are for profit. So they want to maximize profits. Credit unions, a lot of times, they don't need as much profit because they're not for profit. And if they do have any extra income at the end, they can just cancel fees for customers and those kinds of things. So the credit union's goal is not to make a profit. The credit union's goal is to basically break even or just make a small profit. And then what they do is they just distribute that back to the members, who are the owners of the credit union. Whereas a bank, it's all about, having as much money coming through the door as possible. I hope this explained what the differences is between the two. And just so you guys know, they're both regulated. So credit unions regulate it, a bank is regulated. And your money is insured at a credit union the same way it is at a bank. So your money's guaranteed by the federal government, basically. Hope this helped, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you didn't understand what the difference is between those two, I hope you understand now. If you have family members or friends that you think they might not know this stuff, go ahead and share it with them. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.